there, wonderful fourth graders. I am now doing question 3. It is 9,361 divided by 8. Remember that symbol, okay? So I'm not very good with my 8s, and so I'm going to make sure I'm going to make a T-chart of 8s. And as I know, because I've listened to my teachers, I always start with 0. And then I go down to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now I know that 8 times 0 is 0. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 8 times 3 is 24. 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 8 is 64. 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 8 times 11 is 88. 8 times 12 is 96. Okay, so now I know that took me a little extra time, but again, that's going to help me a lot with this really big problem. Now I'm looking at my methods. I've got the big 7 hangman method. I've got the box method. I've got the traditional method. So I'm going to do the traditional method with this. So 8 is my divisor. And 9,361 is my dividend. Okay, so I know that 8 can go into 9. Let's look at this. So there's a 0, there's an 8, and there's 16. Oh, 16 is too big, so I need to do that 8 times 1. So I'm going to put a multiplication symbol right there. So I know that 8 times 1 is 8. And I'm going to subtract that. So my difference for 9, take away 8, will be 1. Now I know that I need to bring this 3 down because I am not done yet. So this now turns into a 13. Now I'm going to see how many times 8 can go into 13. Well, I've got 0 and I've got 8. Oh, 16 is a little too big. So I'm going to go back down to that 8 times 1. So I'm going to put 1 times 8 equals 8. I'm going to subtract it. 3 take away 8. I can't do that. So I need to go next door and I need to borrow. So 13 take away 8 is 5. 5. But now I need to bring down that next number in that dividend. Now this is 56. So I'm going to look and see how many times can I take 8 out of 56. I can take 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48. Wow, there's one that's 56 and 56. So that is 7 times 8 is 56. So 7 times 8 is 56. Now, if I take away 56 out of 56, that is 0. Very good. Okay, now I need to bring that last number down on that dividend. And it's a 1. Now, I need to know how many times can I take an 8 out of that 1. Now, let's look. 0, 8, oh, 8 is too high. So I'm going to go down to that 0 times 8. So 0 times 8 equals 0. Ooh, I can't take down anymore. So this must be my remainder. And I put it back up here. Remainder. Oop, Mrs. Boynton made a mistake. 1 take away 0 is 1. Oh, silly Mrs. Boynton. I was like, that's not the remainder. Okay, so my answer is going to be 1,170 remainder 1. I'm glad I caught that mistake.